Good morning, students of class 9. We are doing history, the nationalist movement in Indochina, the effect of the war in America. So that is continued. Number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the effect of the war in America. Number 70. The effect of the war was felt within America because people started asking questions or raising questions, as many were critical, not sure. Critical means not sure of the government policy for getting involved in the war that they saw as indefensible. The people raised questions against the government, their policy, the government's policy. Why the government is involved in the war that they saw as indefensible. They could not defend themselves. So many American soldiers were killed. So 18, when young men were drafted for war, they were taken for war or selected for war, the anger spread among the American people. Number 19, there was compulsory service in the armed forces. So there was compulsory service in the armed forces for the students, high school students, college students and young men, except not including university graduates. Means university graduates were not allowed to enter service, army in the or serve in the army. So they were drafted for drafted for the service for war, and the university graduates were not allowed to go as they have to study. But the college and the higher secondary schools or high school students, they have to there was a compulsory service in the armed forces. They need training. So number 20, many people who were sent to fight in Vietnam, many young boys, you can say that, many young men who were sent to fight in Vietnam were minorities, not from the well-to-do families. They were from minorities and children of working class. They were the sons of working class. They had to go to war in Vietnam. So this raised a question, and the people were angry. Sometimes those young men were forced to join the army. So now, number 21, US media, American media and films also played a major role supporting, this is supporting, not L, major role supporting as well as criticizing the war. So many media and films, some they supported, some criticized the war that took place in Vietnam, and American government has American government got involved in that war. Now 22, the propaganda film. Propaganda means to spread the message, that is called propaganda. The propaganda film was responsible for motivating many young men. So many young men got motivated, and they thought that it is bravery, it is patriotic to die in the war. So these propaganda films, this film was responsible for motivating many young men to die in the war. They were ready to die in the war for the country. Why? Because they got motivated by the films and by the media as well. So now here, next we'll talk about the reason for US entry into war. Why USA or America entered into the war? Few points I have already told you before, because they were scared about the spread of communist or social, you can say social groups or communist ideology all over the countries. So they were scared about the communist. So we'll talk about in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next class.